What's up, guys? We're back with another unboxing, and today we have the Ray-Ban Meta AI Gen 2 glasses. Alright, let's jump right into the unboxing. Here's the case, and here they are, the glasses. Well, they make sound. This is the capture button. Just took a picture of you. Then you can record holding the capture button. And to stop recording, just click it. You should come over here and try these out. Here you go.
Wait a minute, where are we? Oh wait, these are the Harry Potter movies, right? Oh, my favorite, Prisoner of Azkaban. This is kind of cool, but where are we? They have all the films here. Is this some sort of movie theater? Oh wow, is that the newspaper and the dragon? Wait a minute, is this the cafeteria at Hogwarts? I think I know where we are. Is this the making of Harry Potter in London? This has to be it.
Yup, you guessed right.
I remember this bus. Is that Harry's house? Wow, I remember this in the movie. I'm not gonna lie, that auntie got what she deserved. Being mean to my boy Potter got him living under the stairs. Is that the book? Oh my gosh, it actually moves. The objects move on their own too. That wasn't CGI. Everything's handmade.
Is that the leprechaun in the gold?
What? That's Gringotts, fool.
Oh yeah, you're right. Well, it looks more like a leprechaun to me. Where's me shilling?
Money, 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 money.
Wait a minute, are those the bad guys?
Yeah, but we defeated Voldemort anyway, so they're pretty useless.
That's pretty strange ritual. They look like worms.
Dementors are vicious creatures. They will not distinguish between the one they hunt and the one who gets in their way.
Oh my gosh, is that Harry? You know, Gryffindor is a cool house, and if I wasn't Team Ravenclaw, I would definitely be Team Gryffindor.
Oh my gosh, that was so cool. Wait, is this the dragon?
The next station is Covent Garden. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
I'm going to be spinning across this space, putting together the finest, elegant, acrobatic performance here in Covent Garden. Before I begin this, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Chris. Everybody say, hi, Chris.
Oh, everyone, shh.
We loved Covent Garden. It was a great experience, especially the outdoor performance, the pastries, and the vendors. And we can't forget about MJ and soaps. Everything smelled great. Aaliyah, I can't believe you thought a see-through elevator on the side of a building was a good idea. You even forgot to mention it was on the 44th floor. I was holding onto the bar for dear life.
It wasn't that bad.
Yeah, once we got off the elevator. I'm not gonna lie, the view was gorgeous. The sunrise breakfast was a good idea. Aaliyah, do you remember when we had to switch our tables for a better view?
Yeah, turns out we weren't the only ones eyeing a good table. The second it opened, we claimed it. Another party tried right after, but it was too late.
Oh gosh, not the elevator again. Man, I think I closed my eyes all the way down.
Close your eyes is an understatement. You were reciting Ayatul Kursi.
Man, leave me alone.
Back on the tube again. See it, say it, sorted. Oh, look at the army vehicles.
Wait, I think they call it jackals.
Huh? How did you know?
Well, for one, I did Google it while making this video. And we have arrived at Borough Market. Man, these strawberries so good. I would give an arm and a leg for these strawberries. Somebody put their foot in these.
What are you on about, bruv?
Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is like a dream.
Never mind that. This was our first time on an Uber boat, and I would definitely do it again. The views were so good. Is that a combat ship? Pretty cool. And we also got to see this Ferris wheel, which, stay tuned, you'll see more.
Ferris wheel, don't let anyone hear you say that.
Is it not?
It's called the London Eye. London Bridge is... Wait, that's not the London Bridge. That looks way prettier. Man, I remember that clock from Peter Pan. It looks even better in real life. This bridge was pretty too, but my dad had me taking pictures on here for 30 minutes.
Okay guys, the beautiful Buckingham Palace. I think there was a princess in that car, but I'm not too sure. It was packed outside the palace. Everyone wanted to see the parade of the royal guards. Oh wait, shh, the cavalry is coming.
To be honest, seeing the cavalry and those powerful horses up close was amazing. But what's even cool is how London keeps those centuries-old traditions alive, like it's stepping into history.
I think that's it.
Bond? James Bond?
Not quite.
Not quite.
To be fair, you're the first person today. It's usually more than one.
The next station is Piccadilly Circus. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
I'm not gonna lie, Donatella has the best pastries.
How is your donuts?
Okay, I took a bite. I ate the cookies, the frosting, and then it was just covered in chocolate. Take a deeper bite, and the inside is filled with more chocolate. It was so much chocolate, I had to scoop it inside out. It was beautiful. I would have it again and again. 10 out of 10, wouldn't recommend.
Seeing Big Ben lit up with poppies on Remembrance Day was powerful. It's a symbol born after World War I from the flowers that grew on Flanders battlefields to honor the fallen. And watching London come together in remembrance was truly heartfelt.
I grew up in London City. You already know my journey. So I grew up in London City.
9, that was 4, yeah? Cardio pack, so 7 glasses. Why are you recording me?
I'm recording him.
We're back at the palace, but we really wanted to see the changing of the guards, but it was canceled due to Remembrance Day.
Then we arrived to Camden Market. These strawberries were great, but Borough Market wins. Then we bought these cheesy chips, which were awesome. Shout out Funky Chips.
Spicy! Extra spicy! Extra saucy, my brother!
Now, the London Eye. If you thought the elevator was scary, look at this. I barely moved on this. I watch way too many movies. But the view was awesome and we really saw everything.
I despise you.
Hi guys, thank you. Hang on in, guys.
And right around the corner was the Big Ben. First time it was all dressed up in poppies for Remembrance. Now we caught it in its everyday look. Basically, we've unlocked both skins. Pretty cool.
On our way to Gravity Max, we stopped at Piccadilly Circus to grab me a Paddington bag. It really reminds me of Times Square. Gravity Max, here we are! This reminds me of Supercharged. I really like Gravity Max because of the bowling and miniature golf, but the Supercharged track is peak. I'm not gonna lie, I kinda dominated that track, but my turns were a little off. Let's review my helmet cam. Tell me in the comments how you like that. We had just a little bit of collision and I didn't manage to catch up. So I finished 4th place. I think my driving was okay, got a few bumps on the way. Overall, I enjoyed the track and the speed. It was a family track, so I was able to race against adults. I'm leveling up behind the wheel. When you see me on the road, watch out.
That was you! You bumped into me.
Check my sister out, flying through London. Man, in her dreams.
I'm honestly impressed with the glasses. The graphics and sound quality are clear and natural, making them perfect for travel vlogging and hands-free moments. I like that videos save directly to the Meta AI app, which makes everything easier to manage. The battery life is solid, and the universal fit works comfortably for my mom, dad, and sister. The only downside was having to carry the case around to keep the battery charged so that it doesn't die. Yeah, hello? I'm a little busy right now. Talk to you later.
Thank you guys for watching. We had loads of fun and most importantly, creating those silly moments that will last a lifetime.
Gosh, yo, I'm never taking these off. These are amazing. Wow.
What? Those are my glasses.
No, I'm stealing these now. Thank you. Why are you singing to me?
What?
Real costumes and the real actors used in the filming.
There are no real actors in the tour, but yes, everything else is real. So please remain behind the barriers and please don't touch anything.
While the characters we played weren't necessarily keen on the rules, like you, we're also fans of the Harry Potter films. And we hope you'll help us to preserve the amazing connection that brought these films to life.
Please, don't touch that.
James, we just said not to touch anything.
But I thought I saw some butterbeer in there.
Ooh, butterbeer.
Food and drinks are available for purchase about halfway through the tour, which brings up another point. The tour is larger than some people think.
Yes, look how big this map is. Where's the borough?
There are 2 sound stages, J and K, which could take upwards of 3 hours to explore.
Roughly halfway through the tour is the Backlot Cafe, and it's a great spot for a break.
But be prepared. You never know when it's going to rain.
Or you could just use our covered walkway. The Backlot Cafe also offers a wide range of food and beverages.
Like butterbeer.
One last thing. Please refrain from taking photos in the cinema and the green screen broomstick interactive.
But please, take as many photos as you like everywhere else on the tour. And remember to share them with us using the handle #WBTourLondon. And now I'd like to share with you how a magical story took over the world.
Ooh, look.
Magic.